Once upon a time, in the sprawling industrial complexes of the petroleum industry, a remarkable transformation took place. It was the refining of crude oil, a complex and intricate process that turned black gold into a multitude of valuable products. The journey began with crude oil, a mixture of hydrocarbons extracted from deep within the earth. Crude oil, with its dark and unrefined appearance, held within it a wealth of potential. It first had to be transported to a refinery, where the real magic would happen. At the refinery, the crude oil was subjected to a series of processes designed to separate its various components. The first step was distillation, where the crude oil was heated in giant columns called distillation towers. The tower's height allowed for temperature variations, with hotter temperatures at the bottom and cooler temperatures at the top. As the crude oil entered the distillation tower, it encountered temperatures high enough to vaporize some of its lighter components. These vapors rose within the tower, and as they ascended, they began to cool and condense. The resulting liquids were then collected at different levels within the tower, each representing a distinct fraction of petroleum. At the bottom, heavy hydrocarbons like asphalt and tar settled, while at the top, lighter fractions such as gasoline and natural gas emerged. But the distillation process was just the beginning. The individual fractions obtained from distillation were further treated through various refining techniques. One such technique was called cracking, where heavy hydrocarbons were subjected to intense heat and pressure, breaking them down into smaller and more valuable molecules. This process yielded increased amounts of gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. Another vital process was called desulfurization. Crude oil often contained sulfur compounds, which were undesirable due to their environmental impact. Through desulfurization, these compounds were removed, resulting in cleaner and more environmentally friendly fuels. To further enhance the quality of the refined products, additional treatments such as hydrotreating and catalytic reforming were employed. These processes aim to remove impurities, improve octane ratings, and increase the overall performance of the end products. Once the refining process was complete, the newly transformed petroleum products were ready for distribution. They would find their way into countless vehicles, airplanes, ships, and industrial processes, fueling the world's economies and driving progress. And so, the tale of petroleum oil's refining came to an end. From its murky origins in the depths of the earth, it underwent a remarkable journey of transformation. Through the skill and ingenuity of the refining process, crude oil became a vast array of valuable products, fulfilling the energy needs of nations and propelling humanity forward into the future.